Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn to make a very quick and nutritious dessert recipe. This could come to your rescue when you have unanticipated guests coming over. This is called fruit cream. It's a very easy to make recipe with readily available fruits at home. So let's have a look at the ingredients. So I have about half a cup of pomegranate, about a cup of papaya, half a cup of grapes, and about 3/4 cup of apple. You can vary the quantity as per your need. You can add in more fruits like blueberry, raspberry, cherries, mango, strawberry, fig, red grapes. Choice is absolutely yours. Whatever is available at home, you can use it. This is about 200 grams of cream. This is cream which is available in the market, milk cream. I have taken Amul cream. Whatever brand is available, you can use that. I have whipped it slightly. 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar. You can vary as per your taste. I have taken 2 teaspoons of mixed fruit jam and about 1 tablespoon of milk, and I have beaten it in a blender. So let's see how to make fruit cream. You can just pour in all your fruits. Toss in as much as you want. Next goes in your cream which has been beaten or whipped a little. Just give it a mix. Add in your sugar. You can add as per your taste. Then goes in your jam and milk mixture. Your delicious and nutritious fruit cream is ready to be served, guys. For best taste, serve it chilled. It's the all-time favorite dessert of kids and adults alike. So tell me how you like this video. It's very easy to make. Please subscribe to the channel for more such amazing recipes.